How to add vanilla gift card to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for ubereats.com. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself. Once you are in the home page of Uber Eats, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further select the wallet option, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Add Payment Method option under the Payment Methods tab. You will then be asked to select from the provided options, so select the Spend option. Further, you will be able to see the gift card option. Tap on that, and in the Enter Code text box, go ahead and enter your vanilla gift card code. Make sure to enter the code correctly, and now tap on the Apply button, and with this, your vanilla gift card will be added successfully. So this is how you can add vanilla gift card to Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.